We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness was said.
The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets and the road is.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Well, Teejay and Byron Messiah, the two of them kick off the blow. And I guess Teejay make it public and thing. Why? How do I feel about it? You see, Byron them are some new breed. You see what I'm saying? And them kinda run more in a big group, sort of like a rapper style, you know. So Byron kinda boss big. So you know, with Teejay now, him not travel with entourage like that, and you can see the problem right there. Now Teejay sound really upset about this thing, you know, and Byron, like me said, travel with entourage and Teejay don't. So I don't know how this is gonna play out, but you can't sleep on Teejay, cause Teejay, the man they grew up a bad man place, they been around the block, them know, you understand, not saying that he's better than Byron. All I'm saying is, you can't sleep on Teejay, cause Teejay come from Mobile, and you know, everybody know Mobile is very, very, very miserable place to be. And Byron, you see him roll with Prince Swanee, them man they now roll with the Trinidad movement and the West Bank, and them have a ton of money and a ton of machine and all sorts of things are going in that realm there. So that's just how me feel. You just have to go and sit back and watch it, and me gonna play the rest of this video. Let's go.
Suck pussy boy Byron Messiah. I want to tell you something, little boy. I tell myself I'm stop go life about people, but watch ya. Just go do a show a while ago over in New Jersey side, yeah. And the boy Byron Messiah see me and my dog them in a federal business place, and I walk come up to me. Let me nearly put myself in a trouble for him, see? Boy Byron Messiah, see if I never for me pit me them since night. God kill me, brother. Brother, watch me, brother. Let me tell you something, brother. See my reputation. Bro, if you gotta do me sitting, bro, don't approach brother. This suck pussy boy named Byron Messiah see me and approach me. And me I tell him, say, go suck out your mother, Byron Messiah. And this boy now say nothing and wait till the whole line friend them come and start bad up himself. Ooh! Ray. Bro, you make all much police, so much feds up him and thing a while ago. You don't know, kill a little boy. Stop follow me up now and go suck out your mother, no dog. Suck out your mother, no little boy. You don't even know where you just start a while ago, you know, bro. I tell you, God living truth from your heart, you know, boy. Go suck out your mother, you know, boy. You see man in a place and I walk up to man and I say, no, batty boy like you idiot. Kill me dead this man, you go give me 2 thump in my face a while ago, bro. And I me and me nigga and me woman alone turn up today. And this man you look for me. Make the police come down for me. I create excitement like you look clout off of me. Everyone go suck out your mama. And me I make the world know say me are no good pussy. And me and none of your friends them no good. Go suck your mother Prince Swanee. Suck your mother Z-Tech. Go suck out all of no matter whatever. No.